Millions are chasing Memecoin profits in Solana right now. Everyone thinks they're one lucky trade away from a breakthrough, so they buy random tokens and stare at charts all day. But that's not where the real money is. The people consistently winning aren't trading at all. They're launching the project. They build the coin, they create the story, they drive the attention. And when the market floods in, they take profit. While everyone else follows the candles, they're the ones causing the movement. And the truth is, getting started is easier than most people think. You don't need a secret network. You don't need huge capital. In this video, I'll show you exactly how people are doing it. Take a look at my Phantom wallet. I used to spend all my time trading meme coins trying to stay profitable. But over the last year, I switched my focus to launching projects instead. And using this method, I've generated well over 6 figures. Not from buying coins, but from creating them. Same ecosystem, completely different side of the trade. Most people don't want to hear this, but meme coins are built around liquidity. And traders usually are the liquidity. Developers create a token, attach a strong narrative, push hype into the market, and wait for the buyers to rush in. That's the moment that they sell into that momentum. And that's why traders are constantly getting rugged. Not because they're stupid, but because the game heavily favors the people launching the coin. Once you understand that, you stop approaching the market like everyone else. You realize the real money comes from controlling the narrative, not reacting to it. Instead of spending hours hunting for the next pump, you become the one deciding when profit gets taken. And that changes everything. This video is for educational purposes only. I am not a financial advisor. Your capital is still at risk. I'm just here to explain how the process works. Now, before we move on, there's a mistake almost every beginner makes. They head straight to pump.fun. It seems simple. Launch a coin, create a meme, wait for attention, sell for profit. But the platform is massively overcrowded. Look how many coins are appearing every second. Thousands of launches flooding the market non-stop. Most projects never even get seen. You're competing with endless other creators for the same attention. The odds are terrible. Almost every launch disappears immediately, and even when people succeed, they still don't have full control of their project. The platform manages important parts of the liquidity. They also take fees from the action. So even if your token explodes, you're still losing a piece of the upside. That's why I use createcoin.fun instead. The platform gives you a completely different setup. Your coin launches directly to the market. No artificial limitations, no waiting around for certain milestones. The token can actually move freely. And most importantly, you remain in control. You decide how liquidity is handled. You keep control over fees. Your project isn't buried under an endless wall of launches. It actually has room to gain traction. At that point, you stop acting like a retail trader and start operating like the people who understand the system. And right now, this strategy is still early enough to capitalize on. Here's where most people completely misunderstand the game. They think they need a totally fresh idea, but originality alone rarely wins. You need attention, timing, and marketing, because creating hype from nothing is extremely difficult. So instead of inventing something from zero, you follow existing momentum. Look at the narratives already dominating the market. See what people are already buying into. Identify where the hype is concentrated, then position yourself around it. Because the hard work has already been done. The audience already exists. The demand is already there. You're simply stepping into the flow of attention and turning it into profit. All right, everybody. So this is the site I was talking about. This is createcoin.fun. All right. So number one, first thing we need to do is we need to connect our wallet. So I'm going to go here to this button, connect my Phantom wallet here. That's connected. All right. Now, let's have a look in the Phantom wallet. $119 at the moment. Okay. So we're going to be able to see what we end up with within this video demonstration. Okay. So first thing we got to do, our secret weapon is copy trending. This is what I've been telling you about. Okay. This is the way forward. This is how you jump on those market trends. All right. So having a look at these coins here, I'm thinking let's do Meme. Okay. Looks pretty good. It looks pretty funny as well. I like it. So let's just copy that coin. All right. And you can just pick based on numbers or whatever you want to do. Now you've noticed this pop up here. So that will come up. Okay. But this is perfectly normal, total simple part of the process. But all you have to do is click proceed. I know it says unsafe, but again, it's just because it's not something Phantom Wallet's used to. Okay, so you just follow those steps I did there. All right. Once you've done that, you have created the coin. Let's have a good look on SolScan. All right, so on SolScan, there is our coin. Okay, we have got the supply here. We've got 1 billion in the supply. Okay, that's what we want. All right, now let's head back to create coin and let's create our liquidity pool. So this is where we put our Sol in, okay, to back the coin. All right, so, all right, don't touch any of these settings. The only thing you do is you put in some Sol. Now, my recommended amount is 0.2 Solana, okay? Now, you will get this back. Even just putting a little bit in, you will get this back, all right? So you could put more if you'd like, but 0.2 seems to pull good results for me, so that's what I use. All right, so then bang, we create our pool. There we go. Once again, we get these pop-ups. So again, just click through these. Okay, proceed anyway. Okay, proceed. Confirm. Tick the box. Confirm again. All right, bang, our pool has been created, so we can see it here. All right, so we're at $16 value currently, and we've got 900 million in terms of our counters, okay? So we can hit refresh, and we can get updates on this. Okay, already we've got a purchase, as you can see. We've got 0.2001, okay? So, again, you can keep refreshing. Okay, so let's have a look on Dex Screener. So here we are in Dex Screener, and this is our token here. All right, so already we've got a bot buy, which is fine, but it's good to get us started. All right, but you can see the coin is live and it can be bought. Okay, and our retail is currently at $33. Now, let's go back to create coin, and we're going to hit the boost button. Now, what this does is it launches your coin straight to the top of the charts. Okay, so people are going to find it first, or maybe some bots will find it first. Money's money. All right, so we pay 0.25 Solana, and then that will launch us up to the top, and that is what is going to secure us that profit. Okay, I do this every time, and it returns its dividends. Okay, we get it back every single time. All right, so let's hit boost. All right, and then the transaction will proceed as any normal transaction with Phantom will. So there we go, boom. Right, we've purchased our boost here. Okay. Now, what we have to do is just play the waiting game. Okay, so let's have a look at the deck scanner and let's have a look. Okay, so let's see if people buy. Now, whilst I'm waiting here, I just wanted to let you guys know that if you like, subscribe, and leave a comment, I will be putting you into a sweepstake where you can win half of my earnings today. Okay, so stay tuned. We're just going to... All right, so now, as you can see here, we've already got some buyers here. We've had two $10 buys, which is pretty good, near enough, 8.33. All right, so our liquidity is now at $58. Okay. So now, you will eventually pull the liquidity, but we're going to wait a little bit more. We're just going to see if we can get a few more buyers in. Again, I've only been sat here for a few minutes, so let's see what happens after a few more. Okay, so here we go. We have had a bunch more purchases already. Okay. So we are now at $400 odd for our retail. Okay. Near enough 500, which is pretty good for our market cap. All right. Now our liquidity pool is, we are at 1.19 Solana. So if you think about the 0.2, the 0.25 we've put in, we've made profit here in terms of our liquidity pool. So let's wait around a bit more and see what else happens. Okay, guys, so we are here, and so we've got our market cap here at 1.2K. So we have 2.18 Solana now. All right, so now what we're going to do is we are going to pull the liquidity. Okay, so what we need to do is go back to create coin, and where we had the boost button earlier. Okay, so we can see our liquidity here. Okay, $182. So what we're going to do is we're going to pull that now. All right, so you hit this little minus button here, and then you select 100%. We're pulling all of it. Okay, and then you remove that liquidity, and then bam. Okay, you confirm the transaction in the Phantom wallet. You confirm that there, and then let's have a look at our updated Phantom wallet. Let's see. So we are at $282. Okay, so we started at 119, so we're nearly at $300. So as you can see, it's that simple. That's how you make the profit with this process. So If you like, subscribe, and comment on this video, you can get half of these earnings. I'll give you $100. Okay, thanks for watching. Have a good one.